guys! Today we're going to be checking out one of my favorite carnival events in Anguilla, the Grand Parade of Troupes. So I'll see you in the valley. August Friday in Anguilla is a day of anticipation and excitement. It's the day of the Grand Parade of Troupes, where the island comes alive in a celebration of color, music, and culture. This carnival spectacle is a dazzling display of vibrant, flamboyant colors and visually striking costumes. Troupes dance and celebrate through the capital streets. The air is electric with sounds of soca music, drawing in crowds who join in to celebrate. The parade is more than just a feast for the eyes, it's also a competition. The troupes are judged on their colorful, intricately designed costumes and their dynamic performances. On this day, Anguilla, often called Rainbow City, truly lives up to its name. The island is awash with color, from the bright costumes to the joyous faces of those who line in the streets. The Grand Parade of Troupes is not just the most colorful day of carnival, it's a vibrant celebration of Anguilla's spirit, culture, and community. Alright everyone, that was a little bit of the Grand Parade of Troupes. It is a beautiful event and a must-see. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.